Kasalyaw. So back to you guys. Maraming salamat po.
In the peaceful and thriving community of Tacloban, where nature's abundance brings joy and prosperity, the people live in harmony with their environment. The community flourishes with fishing, commerce, tourism, and fair trade, all supported by natural resources and a shared spirit of gratitude. The highlight of this abundance is the Sangyao Festival, a colorful celebration of faith, culture, and tradition dedicated to Senior Santo Niño. The Primo Maangpon from Sandahan National High School symbolizes joy, resilience, and unity through festive dance, vibrant costumes, and the use of traditional fishing tools like aklog, buksay, and banyera. With shouts of "Fiesta na! Tara! Magsayaw-sayaw kita!" and "Viva Sangyao Festival! Viva El Señor Santo Niño!" They express the soul of their community, resilient, graceful, and determined. Their performance reflects Tacloban's pride, honoring their heritage and embracing a way of life rooted in faith, celebration, and community progress. Under the leadership of Dr. Maria Dalia A. Soria, Primo Maangpon shines as a symbol of hope and cultural excellence, truly embodying the essence of their name. Basta Taclobanon, Pinoy ko na Maangpon. Contingent number 7, Primo Maangpon of Sandahan National High School.